Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some card kits that I put together for my Christmas card making party that I'm going to be doing with a few family members, and I'm really excited. So if you guys have not seen my haul where I just bought some supplies for my Christmas card making party, I'll link that video down below. But I wanted to have some kits for them to go ahead and create their own cards. So first off, I made my examples. So these are really basic Christmas cards that I just threw together, and I wanted something easy for them to do. So this is what I did, and I used the Craftsmas paper collection from Michael's last year called Save Freeze, and I'm trying to stick with like a farmhouse Christmas kind of theme, and I thought that this paper collection went perfect. So this is my final example. So I figured a set of 4 cards would be perfect. So this is just what I put together. And I did not need to go above and beyond and create little treat toppers for these, but I just thought they looked really cute. And I had some extra paper left over, so I figured just why not? So these are the kits that I put together. I'm a little upset because I didn't have any more of that deep dark red. I just had the bright Christmas red paper left, so that's the only thing that I was kind of upset about. But these are my little kits that I threw together. And I also created a few for my mother-in-law who might be stopping by. She is Jewish, so she celebrates Hanukkah. So I thought I would just go ahead and create her some winter-themed card kits. So I just created her a few. And then I also made some small kits for my kids. So my daughter's going to be making cards with us, but I'm not quite sure if my boys will. So I just made some kid kits. So it's basically just the card base and the card front. And I just have some blank card bases and envelopes. So I just have everything in these little red tins that I picked up from Hobby Lobby last year. And then these are all the card fronts that I cut. So that is basically what I put together. I have other things as well. So I have these cut aparts from the paper collection. So in case someone wants to create another card using those. I also have the cut aparts for my kids to play with. And this is from the Merry Everything collection. And I have a lot of these stamped images that my kids can color. So I have some Santas and a snowman. They can make cards with that. And I also have some sentiments that my friend Jordana, who even gave me this idea, had suggested that I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.